Hi, good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. I want to take a look at Facebook, or Meta, I guess. It's ticker FB. Now, I don't know what happened in your household over the holidays, but Santa brought my kids an Oculus Quest 2, and they absolutely love it. It's actually quite amazing. I tried it on for the first time the other day, and it was such a nice escape. For a moment, for like a good hour, I forgot that COVID existed. It was such a relief. And then I took it off, came back into the real world, and remembered, oh yeah, COVID. And so I actually don't mind living in the metaverse as it stands the last couple of days. So I've been playing a couple of games. My kids have been having fun with it, and they love it. And what I did notice as well is over the holidays, the Oculus app was the most downloaded app on the Apple App Store. And so that kind of has me interested in Facebook, and potentially this could be a catalyst leading into earnings next year. Their earnings are coming up January the 26th. So I want to make sure that I keep an eye on Meta, or the Facebook chart, ticker FB, over the next couple of weeks here. Now, technically, the stock is still in an uptrend above all the major moving averages, but as you can see, it's a little whippy. Some big, wide swings here over the last couple of weeks. I also see a clearly defined level of resistance right around that 353 zone. And I have these dots here, and what I potentially envision is maybe an inverse head and shoulders pattern. So we have the left shoulder, the head, and then maybe, potentially we could get a little bit of a right shoulder and then earnings and then a move higher. So I'm kind of keeping my mind open to two possibilities: pulling back into support here before earnings, or breaking through and moving above 353 coming on volume. So those are two scenarios that I'm looking for here on Meta, ticker FB. So I'm going to set an alert right around that 353 zone, maybe just below, and that'll tell me if this stock is able to break through a clearly defined level of resistance. So I think it's worth keeping an eye on Meta going into 2022. So I hope that video was helpful. Hey, give me a follow on Twitter if you don't already, at Scott Trades, and I wish you the best for the new year. We'll see you next time.